Hi friends, this video shows how to enable DHCP. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Select connected Wi-Fi network. So Wi-Fi 2024, that is the name of the Wi-Fi network that I am using. Set it. Here you can see the current IP address 192.168.1.10. Go down. Here you can see IP settings static. Right now I am using static IP address. This 192.168.1.10 is a static IP address. I am going to enable DHCP. Set IP settings. Here set DHCP. Set it. Done. Saved. Let me go back. See, IP settings changed to DHCP. Go to top. Here you can see the new IP address assigned by DHCP 192.168.1.7. So this way we can enable DHCP. So you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.